was holding my breath in and I felt my chest start to do this, and I'm like, nope.
24 NSD 412s.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Having a great TDH show.
Dude, it's awesome. Just happy to get out of the house.
Yeah, that's true.
Especially for this.
Yeah.
This was worth the drive. 14 hours.
14 for you? Wow, I thought 8
In this! In this!
Yeah.
This is horrible. Pull forward just a little bit. He's got over. I'm trying to keep the windshield in today, so I'm letting all the pressure out that I'm.
Just wanna make me like some can.
video.
What you gonna do now? You gonna go with me?
What?
I'm trying to go in there too. I ain't got quite the following you got, but I got the 20K on TikTok.
One, two, three, four. 24 NSD 412s.
I've been waiting forever to get that one up. I didn't tap, but was it? Oh, I thought that was tap.
Yeah. I was holding my breath in and I felt my chest starting to do this, and I'm like, nope. Nope. That's fucking ridiculous.
Look, you know what just happened? So he was holding his breath and he was like, wait, at some point I gotta breathe. Yeah, we gotta stop this. You know what's crazy? We O-scoped his amps in at like 102 volts. I mean, he's got like probably 18 volts of output per amp left.
Wow.
Yeah.
Clean signal.
I like it.
It is worth
He's like, oh yeah. You get connected to that floor and it hurts, man. You know what's funny? So when he turns it up there where he tapped and where Monty tapped, he's got more knobs.
I know. Yeah.
I know she's about to do it.
I don't know why he does it. Chris, you want to be out here, buddy. Chris, you just gotta start giving people beats. I'll tell you what, because you're not getting the full knob.
Last hair trick for her.
That's good.